I'm Meredith from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to install your Nautilus 2.0 LX 3-in-1 harness booster using the InRight LATCH System. First, remove the tether strap and the two lower anchor connectors from where they are stored on the side of your seat. You can do this by pressing on the red button and pulling firmly on the strap. Extend the lower anchor strap to its maximum length by pressing on the gray button and pulling on the strap. Make sure that the lower anchor strap is flat and not twisted. Now choose one of the 4 recline positions. Select your recline level by pulling on the lever at the front of the seat. Place the car seat forward facing on the vehicle seat. Be sure that the base of the seat sits flat on your vehicle seat. You want 80% of the car seat to be making contact with your vehicle seat. Move the headrest up for easier access to the belt path. Route the tether strap underneath the vehicle headrest. We'll leave that there for now and connect later in the installation. Now attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle seat. You may need to consult your vehicle manual if you are having trouble locating the connectors. You should hear a click when they connect. Pull to make sure it is securely attached. Tighten the anchor strap by pressing firmly in the center of the car seat and pulling the free end of the lower anchor strap. You may need to thread the free end back through the belt path to get better leverage. Now it's time to attach and tighten your tether. Extend the tether strap as far as needed in order to access the tether anchor. Again, consult your vehicle manual to find the exact placement of the tether anchor in your car. Now check your installation by rocking the seat side to side and back and forth. The seat shouldn't move more than an inch. If it does, pull on the lower anchor strap to remove more slack. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. And you're all set.